I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher, and I'm here on LinkedIn giving little spotlights about some of my contacts here and celebrating how people are using their voices in the world. And today I want to talk about somebody that I haven't met in person. I met him right here on LinkedIn through a contact, Kathy Armias. And this is Jordan Thierry, the creative director at Dream Chase Media. Now, Jordan says that he is a documentary filmmaker and consultant helping organizations with storytelling and media production, policy advocacy, philanthropic advisement, and program design. Now, he also says that at dreamchasemedia.com, we specialize in narratives and experiences that embody the ideals of hope, beauty, love, healing, and justice. Whether you are an artist, a company, or an individual, we believe you have an interesting story to tell. Let us help you tell that story with authenticity, originality, and style. Doesn't that sound great? He says, from planning all the way through to completion, we will work to ensure you are proud of what we create together. Dream Chase Media got its start with the production of a feature-length documentary film called The Black Fatherhood Project. And their next project they're working on now is called Grandma's Roses. Well, let me tell you, as I was researching Jordan, I went and checked out The Black Fatherhood Project, and I can't wait to rent it. I plan to this weekend. So check out Jordan's work here on LinkedIn or at his website, dreamchasemedia.com. And if you'd like to experience more comfort, confidence, and longevity with your voice, check me out at laurahandke.com. Get your free vocal consultation for 30 minutes. Sign up for the next Voice Lab, or you can find me right here on LinkedIn.